Great Auto Parts Industries is located in Taiwan's newly developed Zhonggang Export Manufacturing Area. The manufacturing area has been designed to provide restricted entry, wide beautiful tree-lined streets for easy access to all the new manufacturing companies located in the area. We are also located conveniently near the city of Taichung as well as its harbor, one of the major shipping hubs for the Asia-Pacific region. Great Auto has two main product catalogs, which are CNC machining ball studs, housings, and assembly chassis parts. Great Auto is known for its ball studs, ball pin, and pillow bow, housings, and CNC machining components, which are very critical and safety concern parts used in automobile steering and suspension systems. With a technical and manufacturing team that engages in large volume production of mature products, it is necessary to maintain rigorous step-by-step processes and first-class production equipment, along with a certified professional technical staff. In order to gain complete control over production and its related manufacturing costs, we are vertically integrated from the receipt of raw material to final shipment of the products. This includes forging, sandblasting, CNC machining, shop peening, ball burnishing, thread rolling, and all related in process and final testing and packaging. Great Auto also has assembly lines, manufactures tie rod ends, rack ends, ball joints, control arms, and stabilizer links and sells worldwide. Our products range from European, American, Japanese, to Korean cars with over 2,500 items available. Our main customers are two of the largest distributors of aftermarket products in North America. In addition, we are a major supplier to one of the largest retail stores, located in the USA.